After 5 years, I already reached my limit. Pagod na ako magtanong about sa plans niya for our future. Second year pa lang namin, nag-open up na ako sa kanya about how I feel na bakit wala kaming ginagawang plan for our future. Puro vague plans lang nakuha ko since then. And napag-usapan lang kapag ako ang nag-i-initiate or pag inaaway ko na. During one of our talks, nagulat siya na gusto ko bumukod kami pag kinasal. Nag-viewing kami ng bahay last year para lang siguro matahimik ako. Hinayaan lang daw niya ako para ma-realize ko na mahal bumili ng bahay. After
Totoo
1
naman.
week,
Mahal naman talaga.
After 1 week na pinaramdam niya na may plan siya for our future, pagtingin namin ng mga bahay, nawala ulit yung usapan. Nape-pressure daw siya sa akin. Alam kong mahal magkabahay and yung wedding, pero hindi naman ako humingi ng grande. Until now, I was left with vague plans and uncertainty. Hindi naman siguro ako nagkulang sa pakikipag-communicate. Ang gusto ko lang naman mag-start ng plan, mag-ipon for our future and magkaroon ng definite timeline. Should I give up?
Ang sa akin kasi, when you reach the 5-year mark or anything beyond that, why are you still staying in that relationship if you're not thinking about what's next? Siyempre, we can say, kasi comfortable na kayo, parang nasanay na kayo, you know each other's wants and needs. If you guys are not aligned with what is supposed to happen in the future or what you guys want, why are you still in the relationship?
She knows what she wants, but she's not sure if the guy she's with wants the same thing as her. Sinasabi, pero hindi nakikita.
I think you've made it very clear
Yeah.
what you want and how you envision your future to be. Would you want this type of man to be a part of that relationship moving forward, knowing na he can't really decide on it that moment, hindi siya sure sa ganun? Is that a relationship you see yourself being a part of? Kasi you're saying, he's a nice guy naman, di ba? Does that justify staying in a relationship in which you don't anymore see yourself long-term in?
I mean, this is just the start. You guys are, planning wedding? What more if nagkaanak kayo, nagkapamilya kayo?
Pero ako talaga, if hindi siya makapag-decide, hindi na worth it yan. Kung wala siyang plano, do you want a good temporary partner? Do you want a good lifetime partner? Because if ito lang yung gusto mo, I'm sorry to use the word pero you could settle. Kasi that's how she's making it feel eh. Hindi na sila magkatugma ng plano eh.
You know what to do.
Yeah.
Stress.